guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to do a DIY mask I live by. I start with a ton of turmeric and then I kind of just add enough honey to get it to like a paste, and then it's this nice creamy texture. And then I put it on with a brush because it does get messy. If you have discoloration, this will solve your problems. Like, this is the best thing I've ever used for hyperpigmentation. I used to wear this every day. I'll wear this for a while too. Like, I'll honestly wear it for like up to an hour just because it's like honey and turmeric, so it's really moisturizing. Thick layer all over my skin, and I'm just gonna let this sit. Just a few tips: get it all the way up around your mouth. Sometimes if I know I'm not gonna be talking, I will put it all over my mouth, and then I'll put my whitening tray in, and I'll put it all over my mouth, and I'll sit and I'll, like, you know, go from there. But yeah, this is my turmeric mask, and I'll show you what it looks like when I take it off. Your skin is instantly brighter, but honestly I do recommend just going straight in with this for like a week. It's so good, it's so cheap, it's so easy, and you will literally see a difference, like, I promise you. Like, I can't. Okay, so there is one slight downside to this mask that I do quite honest about. Like, look at my hands. Like it'll stain your towel, it'll stain your hands, it will stain your counters a little bit. Like, it's very staining, but it works so effing well. Make sure you use a good toner just to like pick up all that extra. One really good thing about it is since it's a spice, it has these really small ground granules, so it does exfoliate as you take it off, but it's so fine. So I think it's okay for everyday use, but I do have pretty tough skin that requires a lot of exfoliation, so I would probably forego my usual exfoliation routine for the week if I was going to do this mask for like a week-long brightening treatment. Enjoyed this video. If you like it, don't forget to leave it a like. If you liked me, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to see more of me, you can always check me out on my Instagram, or if you are watching on Instagram, then give me a follow and check out my YouTube. After a week of this, like, I'll be looking fucking bright as shit, bitch.